again welcome to all the shining stars of Shri Shakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School Malgad online classes. Today I am going to teach you 6th standard math subject chapter number 2 angle. In that practice set 2. In previous videos we studied about the different types of angle, what is mean by angle, different types of angle, and also we started practice set 2. In that question number 4 is remain. So students, in this video we are going to study about how to draw angles of different measurement using protractor. So see carefully. So student, first see, this is the protractor. So first I am going to explain you how to use the protractor to measure and draw angles of different measurement. This protractor is available in your compass box. So students, please while watching the video you can take your protractor in your hand. So how to read the numbers on your protractor? Protractor has two scales. The inner scale, this one is inner scale and this is the outer scale. This is the inner scale. The number on the inside means inner scale. See the numbers 0, 10, 20, 30 up to, and it ends with inner scale ends with 180. Means inner scale start from right hand side. And the second scale is outer scale, and this outer scale starts from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and it ends with 180 degree. Means this protractor has two scales, inner scale and outer scale. The difference between inner scale and outer scale is that for inner scale, the 0 start from right hand side, from this side. See carefully. For inner scale, the 0 start from right hand side, and for outer scale, the 0 start from left hand side. So students, between this 0 to 10, there are 10 small lines. Measure this from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth number line is larger than other lines. Then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Means between 0 to 10 there are total 10 lines. Similar scale measurement is for outer scale. And suppose you have to draw angle of measurement 60 degree. You directly measure from right hand. For inner scale measurement, you measure inner scale from this 0 to 10, 20 to 60 degree. And when you are using outer scale, at that time you have to measure from left hand side, like 0, 10, 20, 30 up to 60. But suppose you have to draw the angle of measurement 74 degree. Then how can you measure the angle of 74 degree? For inner scale, you go from 0 to 70, then measure this line 70, then 71, 72, 73, 74, and this is the your 74 degree angle. For outer scale, like this, measure from 0 to 70 degree and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means 70 plus 4 is 74 degree. So students, for this lecture you have to take your protractor in your hand and see, observe both the scales carefully and try to measure try to read the protractor. For this, one another important thing is that when you are measuring the scale from inner side, then you have to ignore the outer scale. Similarly, when you are measuring your angle from outer side, at that time you have to ignore the inner scale. And the main thing Main thing, it means that you can only use one scale at the time, that is inner scale or outer scale. So first we draw an acute angle. So for construction of angle you required protractor, then scale, then eraser, pencil, a well sharp pencil. Here I am using this pen because by using pencil you cannot able to see the proper drawing of angle. So I am using pen, but you have to use pencil. Okay students? So first we see acute angle. So what is mean by acute angle? The angle which measures greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. So students, I take suppose measurement 50 degree. This 50 degree is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, so it is acute angle. So we see how we can draw acute angle. So first, for that you have to draw the line of any measurement. Suppose I draw this line and give the name to that line QR. You have to draw ray because we can extend this. Then this Q, at the point Q you have to place this middle portion of protractor, and this line is exactly touched to this line. So place your protractor like this. Then here is arrow, so you have to measure the scale from this side. Suppose you give arrowhead to this side, then you have to place this middle portion of protractor this side, and the line is coincide with paper's line. So students, and you have to measure from this 0. So I place this point here. That's why you have to measure the angle from this 0 sides, inner scale, 0 to 50 degree. So here is my 50 degree, and here give one dot, small dot, and join these 2 points like this. And this is your angle, that measurement is 50 degree, and give this QR, and here is point P, means angle PQ and angle R. This is your acute angle. So the second type is right angle. You have to draw right angle. So first, what is mean by right angle? Right angle means the angle that measures 90 degree. The angles that measures 90 degree is called as right angle. So students, how we can draw this right angle? Same process like acute angle. First you have to draw one simple line here. I draw this line, this ray, suppose ray. Here I give arrowhead here. This is the point. Give the name BC. Suppose I give name to that point BC. Then place the middle point of protractor at the point B. Exactly the lines are coincide with each other. See this line. Place your middle point of protractor here. Then measure the 90 degree. From where you can measure the 90 degree? From outer scale. Okay. From here you have to measure. You know right angle means angle which measures 90 degree. Measure 0, 10, 2, 20, 30, 40 up to 90. Here my 90 degree is here. So give the point here like this. And then join these 2 points. Then this is the angle which measures 90 degree. Give here 90 degree and here is name A. We can measure this angle like measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree and it is right angle. So next one is, last one is obtuse angle. So students, what is mean by obtuse angle? Obtuse angle means the angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So we have to draw for obtuse angle. Again you draw one line, or it is called, or you may call it as ray, one ray. Give arrowhead to any side, any one side. Then give point x, y. Okay, x, y. And obtuse angle, suppose I have to draw obtuse angle of measurement 110 degree. Okay students. So for that, again take your protractor, then place middle portion of your protractor on point X, then place your protractor such that this line and this line is coincide with each other. Like this, place your protractor and then measure from inner scale, not measure by using outer scale. From 0 here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110. Then where is 110? Where is your 110? Point this 110. Mark there. Then remove your protractor and join these 2 points. Join these 2 points like this. Give arrow here and name this point X, Y and Z. Then this angle. This is the angle which measures 110 degree. Then how you can read this angle? Measure of angle ZXY is equal to 110 degree, or measure of angle YXZ is equal to 110 degree. You can measure by using both the ways. So students, you have to draw 5 different acute angle of different measurement, 5 different obtuse angle of different measurement. We will see next point in next video. Thank you.